Archetypes are universal. So some people I think we sometimes confuse stereotypes with archetypes,
Right.
right? Because there
Right.
is some stereotyping that happens with an archetype.
Yeah.
But if you think of sort of universal archetypes like the parent archetype, for example,
Mhm.
whether you actually have a child or not, all of us can tap into that parent energy, or the hero, for example, that hero archetype of what that looks like. And so these are universal experiences that any human can express, or I sometimes call it universal energy that anybody can tap into or access. And we see them throughout, history and mythology and stories and all of that. These archetypes get brought up for us to learn from.
Yeah, and they're as far as kind of Carl Jung, who sort of came up with this idea of archetypes. They're part of the collective unconscious. They're these kind of universal structures within our psyche, and they're helpful because they can allow us to maybe bring out certain aspects of our being in different ways at different times. So it's not like you just have one
Correct.
that you relate with, but maybe at a certain point, it's the parent, as you mentioned. At another point, it's the lover, the leader. There's so many different ways that these can express themselves.